Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this unique journey through the 19th century United States of America. Have a good time, everybody. I hope you enjoy it.
He was just a lonely cowboy with a heart so brave and true, and he learned to love a maiden with eyes of heaven's own blue. They learned to love each other as they named their wedding day.
I speak for those who can no longer speak for themselves. We must remember who we are.
When a quarrel came between them, Jack, he rode away. He joined a band of cowboys, tried to forget.
I am so happy, my love.
And out on the lonely prairie, she waits for him the same. One night when work was finished, just at the close of day, someone said, "Sing a song, Jack. 'Twill drive those cares away." When Jack began his singing, his mind, it wandered back, for he sang of a man.
Your bet, sir.
I'm all in.
Bold move.
Maiden who was waiting for her Jack. Jack left the camp next morning, breathing his sweetheart's name. He said, "I'll ask forgiveness, for I know that I'm to blame." But when he reached the prairie, he found a new made mound, and his friends, they sadly told him that they laid his loved one down. They said as she was dying, she breathed her sweetheart's name and asked them with her last breath to tell Jack when he came. Your sweetheart waits for you, Jack. Your sweetheart
I stand before you today with the firm conviction that our shared future is brighter than the path we leave behind.
Stand silent for this portrait. Our voices shall not be silenced in the fight for justice.
I understand your apprehension, but this course of action is the only honorable path left to us.
When first I came to Louisville, some pleasure there to find. A damsel there from Lexington was pleasing to my mind.
And that's why this forest is so important to preserve for future generations, you see.
Her rosy cheeks, her ruby lips, like arrows pierced my breast. The name she bore was Flora, the lily of the West. I courted lovely Flora, and to her I was so kind. But she went to another man and nearly wrecked my mind. She robbed me of my freedom, deprived me of my rest. Betrayed was I by Flora, the lily of the West. He met her in a shady grove, this man of high degree. I saw him kiss my Flora, and it sure did things to me. She told me he was just a friend, but still I was depressed. Betrayed was I by Flora, the lily of the West. I stepped up to my rival with my dagger in my hand. I seized him by the collar, it's not hard to understand that blinded by my jealousy, I pierced him in the breast. Betrayed was I by Flora, the lily of the West. Trial was held, I made my plea, but 'twas of no avail. Now I await the hanged man in a stinking, rotten jail. But though I give my all away, and though my life is messed, I love my faithless Flora, the lily of the West. Do you remember sweet Betsy from Pike, who crossed the wide prairie with her lover Ike? With 2 yoke of oxen, a big yellow dog, a tall Shanghai rooster, and 1 spotted hog. Hoodle-dang, fold-a-dye-do, hoodle-dang, fold-a-day. Out on the prairie, one bright starry night, they broke out the whiskey and Betsy got tight. She sang and she shouted and danced o'er the plain, and made a great show for the whole wagon train. Hoodle-dang, fold-a-dye-do, hoodle-dang, fold-a-day. Came down in a wild yelling horde, and Betsy was scared they would scalp her adored. Behind the front wagon wheel Betsy did crawl, and fought off the engines with musket and ball. Hoodle-dang, fold-a-dye-do, hoodle-dang, fold-a-day.
We often look to the past through a muted lens, forgetting the vibrancy that was always there.
They soon reached the desert
where Betsy gave out, and down in the sand she lay rolling about, while Ike in great terror looked on in surprise, saying, "Get up now, Betsy, you'll get sand in your eyes. Huddle dang, fold-a-da-do, huddle dang, fold-a-day." The wagon tipped over with a terrible crash, and out on the prairie rolled all sorts of trash. A few little baby clothes done up with care looked rather suspicious, though it was all on the square. Huddle dang, fold-a-da-do, huddle dang, fold-a-day. The Shanghai ran off and the cattle all died. The last piece of bacon that morning was fried. Poor Ike got discouraged and Betsy got mad. The dog wagged his tail and looked wonderfully sad. Huddle dang, fold-a-da-do, huddle dang, fold-a-day. They swam the wide rivers and crossed the tall peaks, and camped on the prairie for weeks upon weeks. Starvation and cholera and hard work and slaughter, they reached California spite of hell and high water. Huddle dang, fold-a-da-do, huddle dang, fold-a-day. Long Ike and sweet Betsy attended a dance where Ike wore a pair of his Pike County pants. Sweet Betsy was covered with ribbons and rings. Said Ike, "You're an angel, but where are your wings?" Huddle dang, fold-a-da-do, huddle dang, fold-a-day. A miner said, "Betsy, will you dance with me? I will that old hoss if you don't make too free. But don't dance me hard, do you want to know why? Doggone you, I'm chock full of strong alkali." Huddle dang, fold-a-da-do, huddle dang, fold-a-day. Long Ike and sweet Betsy got married, of course, but Ike, getting jealous, obtained a divorce. And Betsy, well satisfied, said with a shout, "Goodbye, you big lummox, I'm glad you backed out." Huddle dang, fold-a-da-do, huddle dang, fold-a-day. We are a band of brothers, native to the soil, fighting for the property we gain by honest toil. And when our rights were threatened, the cry rose near and far. Hurrah for the bonny blue flag that bears a single star. Hurrah, hurrah for Southern rights, hurrah. Hurrah for the bonny blue flag that bears a single star. As long as the Union was faithful to her trust, like friends and brethren, kind were we and just. But now when northern treachery attempts our rights to mar, we hoist on high the bonny blue flag that bears a single star. First gallant South Carolina nobly made the stand. Then came Alabama and took
her by the hand. Next, quickly, Mississippi, Georgia, and Florida, all raised on high, the bonny blue flag that bears a single star. Ye men of valor, gather round the banner of the right. Ye Texas and fair Louisiana, join us in the fight. Davis, our loved president, and Stephen, statesmen are now rallied around the bonny blue flag that bears a single star.
Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you had an incredibly great journey. If you have enjoyed today's video, please to subscribe, share with your friends. I appreciate that you take your time to come watch. Take care and have a wonderful day.
Now other states prepare to hoist on high